Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Today's quick Q&A video is to answer someone's question about cases being transferred. Her question was, I received a transfer notice from USCIS. What happened with my case and what does this mean? So sometimes when you're applying for a green card or an I-130, for example, your case might get transferred to a different service center. And generally, it doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with your case. It's just that the original service center that received your application, maybe they're experiencing some delays. So in order to keep cases going so that they're not as backlogged, USCIS will sometimes transfer your case to a different service center that maybe is a little bit, maybe they're a little bit slower or they have a greater capacity to handle cases a little bit faster than your last service center did. But it doesn't mean that there's anything inherently wrong with your case. This happens often. This isn't anything to be freaking out about or to be scared about. It doesn't mean that there's anything really wrong with your immigration case. It just means that the original service center that received your immigration application, maybe they're a little bit delayed, maybe they experienced some staffing changes or something along those lines, and so they're just transferring your case to a different service center to make sure that the application continues on the process. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you with your immigration journey. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.